Namaskar. This is Professor Eslal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing, the Department of Science and Technology, under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. How are you, students? Fine. Today, as per your session, we are going to discuss random sequences and modes of convergence. Just pay attention on the topic. Random variable, random sequences and mode of convergence. Sequence, you know, when the elements of a set are written under some certain definite algebraic rule. When the elements of a set are written under some certain and you can say definite algebraic rule, then a sequence is formed. And that sequence, as per the sum of the, you can say, finite number of terms, n number of terms. If you are getting certain result, fixed result, then that sequence is said to be a convergent sequence. Or in another word, if there is one-one correspondence between the elements of the sequence and the set of natural numbers, then you can again say that you are going to get convergent sequence. Here, the sequence we are going to discuss, that is the random sequence. Now the question arises that what is random sequence? Random experiment, you have listened in my previous lecture, that random experiment and random word both are, you can say, a little bit associated to each other, that such an experiment who do not follow any certain rule means after performing the, you can say, experiment, you can't forecast about any fixed quantity, any fixed result. And such experiment do not follow, or you can say such experiment doesn't follow any mathematical rule. So then that experiment is random experiment. Now random sequence is what? Either the sequence formed by taking random variables, or just to take a little bit part of any sequence and check the convergency of that sequence. This is nothing but the, you can say, upgradation of the knowledge of probability and random process. You can say that this is the enhancement in the research of probability and random process, where we are going to discuss about random sequence and their convergence. So let us see. I am trying to share the screen. facing some problem in sharing the screen. So I will tag this material to you, and I shall try to explain it. Please wait. Random sequence, and there is a write-up about this concept, that what is random sequence. The concept of random sequence is essential in probability theory and statistics. Traditional probability theory does not state if a specific sequence is random, but general proceeds to discuss the properties of random variable and stochastic sequences, assuming some definition of randomness. So I am sharing some other facts related to this, that the association of this concept with the concept of Bernoulli is also useful for you to associate. And let us see the definition of Bernoulli sequence. X under third bracket K is set of random variables with outcomes under set 0 to 1. Then the sequence is strictly stationary. Each random variable can be viewed as a trial of which there are two outcomes. Outcomes 1 is referred to as a success, whereas 0 is referred as a failure. The expectation of Bernoulli sequence as sigma x under bracket k is equal to small pi. The second moment is like that, and the variance of the same is p minus p square is equal to p into q. These, of course, are the same result of the Bernoulli random variable, because the PDF doesn't, probability distribution function does not change with the time in the definition above. We can also examine related events that are modeled by random variables. So, the students, I hope that relatively you have understood that what is random sequences and how we can find the convergency of such sequences. For the sake of your convenience, I would like to share some material as well as with you with this. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. In case of any query, you are suggested to write your comment in the inbox. I shall try to